2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It brings drivers and passengers many levels of convenience with its lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat. The open road is calling. Drive it home today.